Hey, mountain friends. Yogi Zen dude here, living the Yogi van life, and I'm camped right up there, and got a new camping buddy here, Keon, and he's making fresh water over there, and this is the Mermaid pools here. I wanted to share with you here. I'll walk around some of it. This part right in here is a good 7 foot deep right here, and you can see this is all like one solid rock thing, and then it's just so beautiful. I think the water is a few degrees above freezing. No. But we get in it a few times a day there. Feels so good. Feels so good. You can. This is one place that we dive in at. You can dive in, dive out and in. There. This is another place we dive in, and then right over here, I've done some jackknives off of that here. And let me walk you around here. It comes on down here a little ways. Got to be careful. Some of the moss is pretty slippery, and some of it's okay. You got to make sure of each step, though. Even after a few days, you got to be careful. Look at this. Look at this. All out in here, and then it goes up over here. Walk on around here. Look at this. I'll show you that in another video. Some more stone art, rock balancing. Look at this. Oh boy. So you can start by just slipping in here. It's about 3.5 foot deep or so. And look at the pool up in here too. Look at this. It's just, and there's another pool area here, smaller one. Look at this. You can just slip right in here, and then you can swim all the way across over here. Take you around this side too. Then it gets more shallow right in here. A couple foot deep here, and a little over almost 3 foot deep there. All these small stones. So you can just swim right through here. And it comes back in here too. And then, let's see, out here, and we walked around that side, so it goes all out in there, and then through there. I'm gonna walk all the way around. It could be a while before I'm back here too, so I'm gonna enjoy watching this video over again too. Look at this. Bagby Hot Springs is just up there. About a 30-minute walk up the stream. Look at this. And then this is one of the points where you can dive in too. Right here. Stand right here and jump in. It's a good 7 foot deep here. 7.5. And then you can swim on over here. It gets to about 4 foot, 3.5 foot deep, and then on up. Look at this. Ooh, boy. It feels really good. It might take you a few minutes to go ahead and say okay and jump in there. And it might be a quick little in and out there and then get heated up in the sun and jump back in and then swim around there. But it's fun to just start over there, slip in and then swim all the way across here. That's a good 40 yards, maybe more, across there. Oh. And the water's so clear. Very invigorating. Oh boy. Lots of love.